Hi, this is Design Guy. Want to add that cool see-through text to your Canva designs? I'll show you how. Click the Create button and choose Custom Size. Enter 300 by 300 pixels, then confirm your selection. Next, add a text element to your canvas by clicking the Text tool, and type in your desired content. Select the text by clicking 3 times. Open the Font drop-down menu and browse the available options. Scroll through the list to find a font style you like. Click on your preferred font to apply the new style to your selected text instantly. Click the size option and select large. After that, duplicate the item by clicking Duplicate, then click Overwrite to update it. Next, select both items by holding Shift and clicking each one. Once both are selected, click the Combine button to merge them together. This completes the process for resizing, duplicating, and combining items. Click If to add a condition to your workflow. Next, select Add Hook to insert a new step. Now, choose Add Outline to give your element a visible border. To adjust the outline's appearance, select Add Hollow for a see-through effect. Finally, modify the size property to control the thickness of the outline. Review these changes to make sure each adjustment looks as expected. This sequence helps you customize the element's visual style for clarity and emphasis within your project. To download your image as a PNG, first select the image you want. Next, click the Download button. In the File Type options, choose PNG to ensure high quality. For a larger image, select Size and set it to Maximize. If you need a transparent background, check the Transparent Background option. Lastly, click Download again to save your optimized PNG image. Download and save the background file to your computer. After saving it, delete this file for the other months, such as for the period labeled US. Now, click the Generate button to proceed. Review the generated content and make sure it matches your requirements for the specific month you're working on. If you want to use this background for additional periods, repeat the process, download, save, and delete any files you no longer need. Always double-check each file before deleting to avoid losing important information. Use the Generate feature whenever you need a new background created for a different month or category in your workflow. Right-click the image you want to edit. From the menu that appears, move your cursor to the Go to Apps option and click it. In the next menu, select Apps to see a list of available applications you can use. Scroll through the list and look for the Blend Image option. Once you find Blend Image, click it to open the tool. This will launch the image blending feature, allowing you to begin editing and combining your images as needed for your project. To blend images, place the image you want on the top layer and the other image on the bottom layer. Make sure the top layer is selected. Then apply your desired blend or blending mode. To multiply or overlay content from another page, begin by navigating to the page you want to source from. Select the elements you wish to use, then copy them by pressing Ctrl+C or Command+C. Go back to your main page and paste the elements with Ctrl+V or Command+V. Now, position and adjust the copied content to achieve your desired overlay or multiplication effect. Set this as the image background. Now the image is in place. Next, select the original image and delete it to keep your project organized. Once the unwanted image is removed, click the Share button located at the top right of the screen. In the drop-down menu, select Download. Choose your preferred file type and quality settings, then confirm the download to save your final image to your device. You can create using the task.png file, or alternatively, use the video print feature available here. Now you know how to create a cool transparent text effect in Canva. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more tips.